Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the document outline feature in Google Docs. I'm also going to show you how to add headings so it works properly. So first, open your document in Google Docs. To create sections in the outline, highlight a title or section name in your document. Then click the Style drop-down at the top. It usually says normal text. Then click any heading style you want. Now do this for the other sections of your document as well. Now to open the document outline, click the small Show Document Outline icon on the left side of the screen. As you can see, a navigation panel will appear showing all your headings. Just click any heading to instantly jump to that section of the document. This makes navigating long documents much faster and easier. And that's it. Thanks for watching.